Namaskar. Welcome to Vandana's art classes. Today we are going to paint a bag with the motifs of Saura art. So for this we need a cloth, fabric paint, a ruler, a thin brush, can be 000, can be 00, can be zero number, and fabric paints. So let's start. So take your ruler and draw the line on all the four sides. Double line here, double line on the top, double line on this side, and thin double line at the bottom. Okay, if you can make this size double line, it will be nice. If you are doing on the paper, please do this way, same size double line. Okay. After that, we'll draw a circle. In the circle, we'll draw two earrings and just few lines for neck. Round figure, that's the main difference between Varli and Saura. Saura has round figure, Varli has straight triangles. So let's draw this. This way down also draw the curved figure. And then curved legs. They are not like in V shape or anything. Just curved legs. And this is a female, so we'll show these lines in the hands and legs. Very simple drawing, nothing is there. This is also a daughter. Mother and daughter are going somewhere. These are the birds. So step by step, I'll draw everything, I'll paint everything and I will show you. They don't show any expressions or anything on the face. It's just the blank canvas like. And here is our this line. So in Saura art, border has lots of importance. And that too, the corner design in the border is always very, very important. So Saura tribe lives in Odisha, present day Odisha. And they actually paint with all the nature's ingredients. They take the shells found in Vasundhara river, grind them, and after grinding they make a paste, mix the natural gum, and then they paint with it. Okay, that's the way they do. So their triangle designs are very important. They are basically villagers who are living in the jungles. But nowadays it's not like that. They are educated. But they draw the arrows in the corners. So this is a typical Saura tribe's design. Just give me 1 minute. I'll place a paper in it, so that paint will not go from one side to other side. They have 3-4 corner designs. We follow them only every time. Okay, now we'll draw a line here. This is the line which we drew with the scale. We are drawing triangles on the outer side. And this is a very, very simple border design, just horizontal lines everywhere. This side, the design will be vertical lines. Now I'll draw triangles here. This bag is gifted to me by artsurya.com Bangalore. They are helping them to stand on their feet by providing them material, and then these ladies stitch the bags, purses, pouches like this, toran, lots of things they make, and they are sold. All profits are donated to these needy families, which is used to educate their children. Now here we'll draw the vertical lines. So this side border will go like this. And here it will be again horizontal lines. Okay. Now let's learn how to make sun. So sun in Saura art, there are few ways. This one I'm teaching you to make a spiral. And around the sun we will have triangles. Our sun is ready. Isn't it very simple? It's very simple. Saura art is very simple and it looks very beautiful. Now let's learn how to make a bird. So very simple, one circle, another circle for eye, two lines here, that is the mouth, 1, 2, 3. This is the crown. Draw a big U. This is the bird's tummy. Only this design, nothing great. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever number you want to make. Normally they make odd numbers, 3, 5, 7 like that. Our bird is ready. Let's make second bird. Again a big U. One circle. Another circle or dot for the eye. Our second bird is ready. Now let's make the lady. This lady is carrying something on her head that we'll draw after 2 minutes. Right now we are drawing the lady. So 2 earrings because she is a lady. So we'll show symbolically 2 earrings. Some lines here, that is the neck. Now show the curve. Okay. Now this is a female. I'm using Pavio's black color. It's a fabric paint. Pavio's fabric paint for painting this bag. Now I'm going to draw some lines here. It's not compulsory to draw the lines. I'm just drawing to give some design. Now before I make the legs, I will go up again. A simple curve for hand. And in the hand we show bangles. Then another hand is coming here which is holding the baby's hand. So our fruit basket is ready. Now basket will have weaving. So we will show the weaving here. Now, normally in Saura painting, they have 2-3 borders, minimum 2-3 borders. But since we have limited space on our bag, so I'm drawing only one border. Okay, now I want to tell you the border at the bottom. Here, I'm going to draw simple vertical lines, and this side also. Please make sure lines are equidistant. Now here, spiral. Or you can draw a circle, and inside the circle another circle. Okay, so all the 3 sides are over, and now I'm going to do the same work on the top. If you want, you can fill the color in the triangles. Normally, Saura paintings are done on the dark color background, black or dark brown or red, because Vasundhara River soil is red. So it is done on that by Idital. Idital is their guru or the priest, and behind every painting there is a story. And it's done with the white color paste of ground seep, and mixed with it is mixed with the natural gum of trees. They love the nature. So in their paintings, normally sun, birds, peacock, monkeys, these are depicted. There is a saying that Saura tribe is very, very old. In the Ramayana, there is a mention of Shabri. शबरी के बेल की स्टोरी सबने सुनी है. उन्होंने रामचंद्र जी को बेर खिलाए थे अपने झूठे, और वो उनकी बहुत भक्त थी. कहते हैं कि शबरी जो थी वो सौरा ट्राइब से थी, और ऐसा भी माना जाता है कि जिन हंटर ने कृष्ण जी को तीर मारा था वो भी सौरा ट्राइब से थे. So our bag is ready. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you for liking, subscribing and sharing the information about my YouTube channel. Dhanyavad. Namaste.